One of the first questions we ask before designing anything is, who are we designing for? And sometimes this can be a tricky question because we usually don't have just one type of user. Some people are brand new. Others are power users. Some take their time and others want speed. So how do you design for something that works for a broad range of users? That's where Heuristic 7, flexibility and efficiency of use, comes in. It's one of the 10 usability heuristics from Nielsen-Norman Group. And at its core, this usability heuristic is about offering multiple paths to success, depending on the user's skill, goal, and context. Let's take a basic example, a coffee machine. A novice user might press regular brew, and they're done. How about an expert? They might load a custom preset, double shot, specific temperature, phone milk, done in one tap. It's the same machine, different workflows, but both users win. Here's another example. Using Photoshop to blur something out. A casual user might use the top menu and go to Filter, select Blur, then Gaussian blur. It's pretty clear and easy. But an expert user might use a keyboard shortcut or run an action that automates it all. Same goal, but different paths. This heuristic reminds us, good UX isn't about more features, it's about smarter defaults, optional shortcuts, and paths that adapt to the user. So if you've ever wondered how to make your product feel effortless for both cautious first-timers and confident repeat users, the 10 usability heuristics can offer a practical lens for doing that.